How to delete a Snapchat story in 2025. First of all, open your Snapchat app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. This works on both iPhone and Android. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. This will take you to your profile page where you will see all your stories. Now, under My Story, tap on your story to view it. If you have multiple snaps, swipe through to find the one you want to delete. Once you are on the snap you want to delete, tap the three dot in the top right corner or just long press the snap. Then tap delete snap and confirm. Boom! Your snap is now deleted from your story and no one will be able to see it. If you want to another way to delete it, sweep up memories, go to Stories tab, find your story, long press on snap and hit delete snap. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more awesome snap tips. Also let me know in the comments if you have any snap questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.